Who's in the box?
Oh, yes! Yes! I need a picture of this.
What's in the box?
I'm not sure if I should touch these actually. That's the value of the house in itself. A few months ago, the red brick house here on the end of the street was available from an owner of the property who was looking to move into council accommodation. They couldn't sell to a normal person because the sale had to happen on the day the council gave them a property. So we said we're in no rush to complete. We can do it whenever it suits you, meaning we got a discount. Now the great thing about this property is it is right next door to another property we already own. But Anna has told me she's been inside. I've not been in yet. I gotta wear one of these. So let's go inside and see how smelly it is. So this room doesn't look too bad, to be honest, apart from the fact that all of this old timber chip stuff and fireplace, we'll just get rid of all of that. Some damp in the corners. So you can see a really wet patch just here. And we will likely replace the front door because it's a not so modern front door. Things like the ceilings and stuff, leave the ceilings. Windows are all double glazed?
Yes.
So we got double glazed windows, we got decent ceilings, new consumer units, the new regs consumer units, which if you can hear, metal boxes. So it looks like the wiring is going to be fine. Most of the walls are actually okay. So that wall there is going to be fine, just needs paint in it. This wall fine. Yeah. So in certain parts of the property, not a lot to do. I love a brown swirly carpet. You can see here we've got like papered walls. So rather than paint, we would rip all of that off and replaster it so you've got a brand new wall. Fireplace goes, doors go. Oh, that fucking stinks through the mask. I don't think it'll matter if I leave the bag for the mask on the floor because there's stuff everywhere anyway. The stop tap for the water is corroded, which means that'll have to be replaced. Now when you're looking at properties and you're doing viewings, always look for the detail because you could potentially miss stuff like that. Also, if you're doing property viewings, always make sure you move things like doors because behind that door, lots of damp. One of the main reasons why there's so much damp there is when you've got an enclosed chimney like this, it's completely been boarded up. There needs to be a vent, and the vent allows for air to circulate through the chimney.
Sweat starts sweating.
And stopping these patches from appearing. Kitchen and tiles are not bad. We could actually keep this kitchen. Worktop's fine. Kitchen cupboards just need cleaning out. They're actually very good, very solid, very nice and modern. Plaster the ceiling because it's a bit old. Plaster around the walls. Leave the tiles. Leave the worktops. Leave the cupboards. This is going to save us a couple of grand. All of that we'd rip out and make it more modern. Just get the lot out.
Bathroom again. We got
That is somebody's missed the toilet. Take a look in the toilet, go on.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
No, have a look. Look at the shit around the sides. Get your head in there.
I'm not doing any further, mate.
This isn't bad.
Probably we're going to keep the bath.
Keep the bath, keep the sink, no? I'd probably get rid of the toilet. Just by looking at it, you can kind of tell the back door is going to be replaced. So you can see from the house next door that we own, there is actually a back garden. You just can't quite get there on our one. So we will find the garden somehow. All right, let's go. Wish me luck. This is what I would call a cosmetic refurb. There's not a lot to do. The walls, anything paper, Artex, anything that's not smooth like this, we replaster it. This property currently has a EPC rating that's an E. We're looking to get C rated EPCs on everything to future-proof them. So what we will do is go back to brick on the external walls, and then we'll add 50 mil of insulation, replaster the wall, repaint it, and then you'll get a higher rated EPC certificate. The light switch is in the corner. That's from the 60s. So we'll stick it here in the middle of the room. We'll do some electrical works. Also, plug sockets that are sticking out of the wall. We'll put them back into the wall so they're flush with the wall, because that's not ideal in a 2023 property either. There is another floor here, which we're going to go up and have a look at in a moment, because that's good potential to turn into a bedroom as well, but it's leaking from the window in that attic room, in the dormer window room. So we'll have to fix whatever that problem is too. It stinks in here! Radiators, pretty good. Some of them will be changed, some won't. This boiler, Ideal Logic Combi 30, really good condition. No need to change the boiler. This is a 2-bedroom house with an attic room. But you got to come into this bedroom to go into this cupboard to go up into the attic. So as this is a huge room, what we will do is you'll come up the stairs into a corridor. We'll have a door here to go into this bedroom, but we'll go along this corridor and just create a corridor to access the 3rd room. So now you're turning a 2-bedroom property into a 3-bedroom property, adding massive value to the house. And we'll rip all of this out, all old cupboards, and that's actually really easy to get rid of. It's just a bit of, I mean, it's, It's that easy to get rid of. This is not just a 2-bedroom house with an attic room. This is a 2-bedroom house with an attic room and an ensuite right there. Oh, fucking hell, it's huge. This is a massive room. So, on the house next door, we built a wall up on both sides and at the back. We had a door here into a bedroom and we had a door here into a bedroom. But potentially on this side, we'd have a door where you'd put a toilet there, a sink there, and a shower there. And you make an ensuite bedroom in the top floor. We keep the dormer on that side. We add a Velux window on that side, and we've got a 4-bedroom property here. But as a family home, would it be better to maybe just have 2 bedrooms downstairs and a 3rd large family bedroom up here with maybe a larger, bigger ensuite? Let me know in the chat, which would you choose? Oh, yes! Yes! I need a picture of this. School of Spanking. Rubber-loving housewives, dirty girls. I'm not sure if I should touch these actually. That's the value of the house in itself. That right there could pay for the house if anybody wants to buy them off us. Go to our eBay. By the way, this was purchased for 85 grand. So we have a budget for the refurb of about 30?
30,
Yeah, so 30 odd grand refurb on the budget. And then we'll be looking at refinancing it around 140 grand. So 85 purchase, let's call it 5 for all the fees, 90, 30 grand refurb 120, and 140 grand plus on the refinance. So a minimum of 20 grand created, plus forever income. So long-term income from the rental. As a rental property here, what are we looking at, 750?
750, 75, 750.
So 725 to 750 quid a month in the current market. And over time with inflation, those rents will just go up. I'm really happy, apart from the smell. I didn't even watch the... So that was the porn house. Let's take it from a porn house and turn it into a beautiful family home. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the future videos. If you want to learn how you can do this, if you want to learn how you can build a property portfolio right now and scale that portfolio, then there's a completely free report. It's in the pinned comments, it's in the description. You can download it right now and you can get started on your journey. I've been Kevin McDonnell. You've been amazing. I'll see you next time.